Hello, everyone. Welcome and welcome back. I know, it's been quite some time, but a lot's been going on, and I just have not had the time to craft. But I am back. I am back, and I have a lot of new videos lined up for you guys. So just stick around, okay? Stick around. I promise you will see some new videos with new crafts coming up very, very soon. Starting with this adorable Candyland Gingerbread swag using these two Dollar Tree trees that I've had in my stash since last Christmas. I originally wanted to do this craft last Christmas, but didn't get a chance to get to it because I had so many crafts on my list to do and just ran out of time. But we're doing it today. So we're starting off by taking the hardware off of these trees, just the little feet and the bottom piece, and stretching them out, just fluffing them out, but keeping them flat. So not fluffing them all the way, just stretching out the branches and stuff like that. And I'm gonna do that with both of these trees. You do need two trees for this craft. Now, you're really not gonna find them now because obviously it's not Christmas. It is not anywhere near Christmas. I just happen to have this in my stash, and Christmas in July. So if you're an avid crafter like I am, then odds are you have a couple of these in your stash, so you can just use what you have. And I happen to have these white ones. So like I said, I'm just starting off by stretching out both all the branches off of both of these trees, and I'm going to line them up and fluff them out so all of the bars are covered as best as I can get them, because clearly these Dollar Tree trees are so sad. Just look how skinny they are. They need some love, okay? We're gonna put some love into these today. Okay, so once I have it fluffed out, I am going to grab some zip ties. I've got these short white zip ties from Dollar Tree, and I am going to use three of them. I'm going to use one at the top of our swag, one in the middle, and one at the bottom. Now, to keep everything from slipping, keeping everything nice and secure, I like to add a dollop of E6000 onto the swag right before closing up the zip tie. That way there's no chance of it slipping away and slipping off. Everything will stay nice and secure. You can use hot glue if you want to, but I wanted to make sure that it was going to be super, super strong. And because I did plan on selling this one, I wanted to make sure everything stayed in place. I lost the footage here, but I did take a small piece of felt and glued it around the bottom just to give it a more finished look. And I also added a fluffy Chanel stem for a hanger. That way we can hang our swag. And now I'm just placing random things on here. I wanted to do a gingerbread Candyland thing. So I didn't quite know exactly what I wanted on here, where I wanted it to be. So I just simply started off by kind of putting what I had in front of me and going from there. And all of my candies, well, most of my candies are from either Hobby Lobby or Amazon. So after staring at this for about 20 minutes, I finally decided I wanted to start with this beautiful candy gumdrop garland that I got from Hobby Lobby. And this stuff you might be able to find now. They are currently putting their Christmas stuff out, but it's not on sale yet. But if you really feel like you need to grab it now, then just, go ahead and grab it. I happen to have this in my stash from last year, obviously, along with those little gummy bears you see sitting there. As far as my gingerbreads go, my little gingerbread ornaments go, they're from all over. They're from Hobby Lobby. They're from Walmart. I believe that little one right there is from Walmart. And I believe that big one you just saw is from Hobby Lobby. I get them from different places. This is the fun part. There's really no method to the madness. Just pick the pieces that you know you want to use, just set them down and start gluing them on. It's really no right or wrong way to do this. You can do this with the green trees if you have them on hand. You can do this with all gingerbread if you don't want to use any of the candy pieces. You can do any theme for this that you want to. There's really no right or wrong way. So I decided I wanted to add a bow. I made this little bow using some, I think it's 1.5 inches, 1.5 inch ribbon I got from, I think it's from Hobby Lobby. And I just attached it with a Chanel stem. I'm not the best bow maker. I do have a couple videos where I show you how to make the bows I like to make, but there are other people who are way better at that than me. So, just Google how to make an easy bow. Or not Google, YouTube. YouTube it. That's what I did. But anyway, here I am still trying to figure out where I want things to go, and what I want to use, and yeah. pieces, the lighter pieces on this swag, I use just hot glue, but for the heavier pieces like that lollipop, for instance, it's heavier than it looks. I used a bit of E6000 too. That way it will not slip off. And here it is all finished after I finally decided what I wanted to put on it. It is so cute. I can't wait for Dollar Tree to bring the trees back out because I really want to make a few more of these. But anyway, this one is available for purchase. Let me know what y'all think about this. And if you're interested in purchasing it, the link will be down in the description box. I simply sell a couple of my crafts here and there to support my crafting habit and my book writing habit. So let me know what y'all think about this, and I'll catch you in the next one. Bye.